Hi everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. Today I'm super excited because I'm participating in the DIY Mommies 2020 Spring DIY and Decor Open Collab. I will put a link to her channel in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. Okay, let's get started. I'm actually making some centerpieces for an Easter spread, and then I'm going to show you a cute little napkin that you could do for your Easter tablescape that was incredibly cute. I found both of these ideas on Pinterest. So I actually have my mom helping me with this project, and what we did is hollowed out a couple of cabbages. Do you see that? And you have to work at this a little bit. It took knives and spoons and we were digging. And you want to find the biggest cabbages, the healthiest looking cabbages. Unfortunately, in my area, I'm kind of recording this a little bit before it was into spring. But even if I did record in March, I don't live where it's spring yet. It's still winter where I'm at, guys. So it's super hard to sometimes find this stuff. I really wanted to get a big, nice purple cabbage, but I went to 3 different stores and I just couldn't find one. So I kind of settled for these medium cabbages. It's still going to be very cute, but I'm just letting you know, if you decide to do this, that you're going to want to get the biggest cabbages you can find. And if you were going to use fake flowers, I'm actually using real in a minute, but if you were using fake, you'd want to get that green foam stuff and kind of put it in here to be able to put your flowers through. So some other things I picked up to do this project is I found these cute little bunnies on a stick at the Dollar Tree. So I picked these up and I may or may not use them, but I think I'm going to use one per cabbage. We'll see. And then I went to our local florist and I got some baby's breath. I don't know the names of these flowers, guys. I was just picking up flowers. I got some of these white... What are these? I don't know what these are called, but I got some of these white flowers. I got some of these pink, I know what this is, Mom. My mom just said tulip. Like, I don't know. Who doesn't know what a tulip is? So I picked up a few of these purple, pink tulips. And then I got some of these cute, green filler things. I don't know what these are called either, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not a florist. That's why I bought flowers from a florist, because I am not one. And I kind of got what they had on hand because, again, it's still winter here. It's very hard to find spring stuff, especially fresh produce or flowers this time of year. So what I'm going to do is throw these together. I'm just going to trim up my flowers and kind of place them into my cabbages, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you really quickly how to put together a cute little linen napkin for your tablescape for Easter. I just have a neutral color here. You can of course use whatever color you'd like. I'm using gray. And then all I'm going to do is fold it in half. Okay, so I folded my linen napkin in half here. And then I am just going to kind of roll it up. Let me do that part and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what my linen napkin looks like, all rolled up. It's super simple, you guys. And then I am going to make bunny ears out of my linen napkin. You want to use hard-boiled eggs, and I just use these brown eggs because I'm looking for more of a rustic look. But you could use your eggs that your kids dyed. That would be super cute too. So I'm going to go ahead and tie my bunny ears using ribbon around my brown egg, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay guys, with my mom's help, because I'm over at her house today doing some tablescape videos, I went ahead and we went ahead and got ribbon around it. So as you can see, this is going to be our bunny's ears. And I'm going to actually put people's names on this egg for a place setting. And this is going to go in the center of our plates. And I did a little mini Easter tablescape just to give you an idea what these napkins would look like on top of plates and what my centerpieces are going to look like. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these ended up being a lot more challenging than what I thought they were gonna be. And then I did pull out some of this, it's like Easter grass, but it's kind of the wickery kind, the tan colored. So first of all, at the bottom here, I'm using these super cute glass vases. They're little, they're not that big. I got them at the Dollar Tree, and then we went ahead and put a little tiny bit of baby's breath in there. And then my mom had these little cute glass candle holders, and we are using a tea light candle that is battery operated. That's not a real flame. That probably would not be a good idea. But yeah, so we just put them in the little votive candle holder, and that's our base. So both of our arrangements have that base. And then I showed you our little hollowed out cabbages. They turned out cute. I was kind of worried about it because our cabbages were not that great of selection this time of year in the neck of the woods that I'm in. You could of course use a purple cabbage as well. I even think that that's prettier. I think it would be pretty if you did one green cabbage, one purple. I just went to a florist and asked if I could buy some flower stems, and I just picked out some spring looking flowers. Again, that selection was kind of hard because of the time of year. And so we just played around with these and the flowers the way we wanted them to be. And then I stuck those cute little bunnies in from the dollar store as well. And I just am so pleased with the way they turned out. So then on either side here, I've got these Dollar Tree cylinder candles. Of course, we lit them. And then I got this tooling at the Dollar Tree as well. And my mom kind of tied them around the candles. She actually did this for a Mardi Gras tablescape that we just put together, but we thought it would look cute with this tablescape as well. The only thing that we added here was some baby's breath to kind of make it look cute and pop next to the cabbages. I am so happy with the way these turned out. This is pretty much kind of our main decor for the table for our centerpiece. And then we just threw on some glasses that she had in the cupboard, just your average glasses. You don't always have to have every fancy little bit. You can use what you have and then kind of build around it. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you, if you go to the Dollar Tree, you've probably seen these. I just picked these up from the Dollar Tree when I was there the other day. They actually have some glitter on the other side, but I wasn't really wanting to be that kind of a bling. But I thought, you know, just for doing this little mini Easter display here, I wasn't going to buy extra stuff because I just really wanted to show you how to do those cabbages and then the little linen napkin deal in a minute. And then these plates that I'm using are actually my set from home, and I have the Pioneer Woman a set of her plates, and they're kind of mix match, but they all kind of match at the same time. I just pulled out the blue floral dinner plates from that collection that I have, and then for the salad plate I just pulled out the yellow floral pattern that comes in that set. It definitely has a feel of Easter. So again, I would say before you go out and spend a ton of money, look and see what you have first and what you can use that you already have, and then build upon that. And then of course, how cute are these bunnies? And then what I did is I went ahead and I put our names, like place settings, Easter dinner place settings. And what I used here was just a gel pin, like a planner pin. And how cute, it wrote right on the brown egg. And then when you put them on your plates, you just kind of play with the ears and get them put in the spot that you want them. Okay guys, I had such an incredibly fun day over at my mom's house putting together the different tablescapes that I've done recently, and I'm so glad to have had her help and her space because I do not have any space. If you watch my channel, you know how frustrated we are. We just want the house to hurry up and get built. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon.